all are here about inflation going up our June. But have you ever wondered how does RBI actually control it and why does its credibility matter so much? This is the way concept of inflation targeting comes in the policy not only guides price but also tests the trust of people have in our central bank. So let's dive in and understand how inflation targeting works and why it's a truly test of credibility for India's economy. The current 4% CPI target with 2 to 6% tolerant band is set to expire in March 2026. RBI is cautioned raising the target could dilute credibility and undo years of policy gains. Features of framework include credibility with global investors, where S&P Global recently upgraded India to Bank Board Bureau, highlighting RBI's inflation management as a pillar of investor trust. Institutional stability, where the framework has built confidence in the Monetary Policy Committee and fiscal responsibility norms. Focus on domestic outcomes, where since 2016, inflation has mostly stayed with 2 to 6% band. In July 2025, it hits 1.55%, the second lowest ever recorded. External balance to be focused, as a low and stable inflation protect the rupee, keeps India competitive and prevent outflow of capital. Policy consistency, which helped India withstand shocks like pandemic and oil price surges without runaway inflation. Key challenges in the framework include target dilemma. Lowering below 4% could hurt growth. Rising above 4% could erode credibility. Tolerance band debate. Should we keep 2 to 6%, narrow it or scrap it? A band gives flexibility but reduces accountability. Volatility in prices. Between 2014 to 2025, CPI swags from 1.5% to 8.6%, mainly due to food prices. Maintaining credibility. Any changes in targeting risk, shaking investor confidence and household expectations. Way forward for RBI's recommendations include retain 4% target. Rising above it may be look like tolerating inflation. Avoid going below 4%. Would constrain growth in developing economy. Stick to headline CPI. Since food inflation has long run effect, ignoring it would be unrealistic. Review but don't break the band. The 2 to 6% band may be debated, but tested elements should not be disrupted. Preserve policy certainty. Stability is vital during the global economic uncertainty. So what is the real test of credibility? It is not just hitting a number, it is about maintaining trust. The RBI message is clear. India doesn't need a big changes, it needs continuity and credibility. As 2026 approaches, the question isn't where inflation target worked, it clearly has, but now how we refine it without breaking the trust it has built.